What's up, everybody? It's me, Rose, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I have a mini soap haul for you guys. How have everyone been? I haven't seen y'all in a long time. I hope all is well with your families, everyone taking care of themselves during this crazy time we're living in. So in today's video, I have a mini soap haul. I ordered from, I think, 1, 2, 3 small businesses. And the first business I want to share with you guys is Orange Lion Creations. Can you guys see that bag? Okay, I think I have to get a little bit closer so I can show you guys my style. My soap came in a little white bag wrapped in some tissue paper. Let's open it together. I think I ordered about 6 soaps or 7 soaps or something like that. So the first soap I want to show you guys is the Exfoliating Coffee Bar. It comes wrapped in this cute little sleeve. And I'm just going to read the notes on the back. It says Exfoliating Coffee, the aroma of fresh roasted coffee beans with a slight hint of vanilla and sugar. You guys, it smells so good. The next soap I'm going to show you guys is called Ice Rose Petals. Can you guys see that? Focus. And I'm just going to read what's on the back of each bar. And on the back of this one, it says Ice Rose Petals, fresh squeezed lemon, juicy strawberry and raspberry blossoms create this zesty fragrance. And you guys, it smells so bomb. Excuse me. And the next one I'm going to show you guys is a vegan charcoal face cleanser bar. And this is what it looked like. And the back of the sleeve, it says activated charcoal from American Eastern hardwoods mixed with chamomile powder from dried chamomile flowers and rose kaolin clay. And you guys, all these soaps smell so good. Like, I don't know what's been going on with me. I've been going like so crazy. I don't know. I've just been ordering soap from these small businesses. You know, you gotta support your people. And I have one more to show you guys. And in this wrapper, I think there's 4 bars. Yeah, definitely have 4 bars. The next one I'm going to show you guys is the unscented soap. It's made with coconut milk and kaleido oats. And it looks like this. You guys, how cute are these soaps? It says, although unscented, there's a faint sweet coconut aroma from the coconut milk. You guys, it smells so good. You could definitely smell the coconut milk. One second. Sorry about that, guys. But the last one I think I showed you was this one. Even though it's unscented, you could still smell a little bit of coconut. And it smells so, so good. The next one I'm going to show you guys is Pound Cake. Everybody who know me know I love me some cake. And this one smells just like pound cake. Oh my god, I can't wait to use this. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys how each of the soap lather up. And this one is also vegan. And this one is called Lavender Milk. Oh my gosh. It's the back of the bar says enticing blends of lavender mixed with coconut milk infused with rich French vanilla musk. And you guys, it smells so good. I know I need to find a new word, but it smells so good. Oh my goodness. And the last one from this company is called Citrus Cecil, and this is how it looks. And the back of this one says, awaken your senses with the refreshing blend of sea salt mixed with sweet, crisp, sun-ripened grapefruit, kissed with a hint of white orchids, all while lightly exfoliating and purifying the skin with pink Himalayan sea salt. Ooh. Yep. This one might be my favorite one. Oh my goodness, I love this. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So, the next company I'm going to show you guys, let me see. The next company is called Soapy Faith. Now, I found this company on Instagram, and I was watching it for a while, scared to order. So one day I just was like, let me go ahead and order. How bad could it be, right? Not bad at all. So her soap comes wrapped in also tissue paper, and she has it in these cute little baggies, organza bags, that's the name. Little organza bags, and I'm gonna show you how it will look when we take it out of the organza bag. It looks like this. Cute. And the name of this soap is called Goodness. It smells really good. Her soap also comes with words of like affirmation inside. And on this card it says, the winning strategy in any startup business is to think big but start small. Very nice. And again, this one is Goodness. And the next one that, let me just put it here. The next one that I ordered from the same company, you guys, I'm such a klutz. The next one is called Kindness. And this one smells real fruity. Let me show you. They all kind of have the same design but different colors. How pretty is that? And this one, this is a Christian company. And on the back of this card, on the back of this card it says, for we live by faith, not by sight. 2 Corinthians 5:7. That is so dope. Y'all, it smells so good. And the last one that I ordered from this company is called Joy. All of the soap comes in these cute little organza bags. And I saw somewhere where she said you could actually, look, like hand wash this, put your soap back inside, right? So it's like a holder for your soap. And you can wash your body with this. The bag you can be used as like an exfoliation type of thingy. That is just terrible. The bag can be used as an exfoliation. There we go. So like that, and you will run it under water and you will wash yourself like so. And then when you're done, it's easy to hang, I guess, like on your in your shower, over the shower head, or if you have like a shower caddy, you can hang it there. So that's one of the cool things about this soap. I don't think I showed you guys what it looked like in the back, but this is actually what it looks like. I think it is so cute. And that one is called Joy. Y'all, these soaps smell so good. Oh my goodness, it smells really, really, really good. Sorry. And on this card, it says, the difference between a vision and a hallucination is that other people can see the vision. That is dope. So that's it for Soapy Faith. I will have all the links to the Instagrams and stuff like that linked down below in the comment section. Not the comment section, in the description bar. My bad, y'all. It's been a while. And the last company I ordered some soap from, I found her on YouTube. Like, I've been watching people, watch people make soap. Hold on, you guys. Okay, you guys. So the last company I ordered is from Yellow Cottage Soapery, right here on YouTube. One day her video popped up on my recommended videos. I was like, well, let me watch it. I don't know what this is about. Let me watch it. And I fell in love with her soap. So I decided to order some. And her soap comes in these cute little baggies like this. And when you take it out of the bag, this soap is also wrapped in an organza bag. It is so cute. And this scent is called Citrus Berry Splash. Let me open it for you guys, if I can. Take it out of the organza bag so you can see how pretty these soaps are. It's so pretty and it smells so good. You can smell it through the little bag that it comes in. The paper bag that it comes in. And this is what the soap look like. You guys, so pretty. I'm not sure if it's being washed out or not, but this how the soap is. Look at the top. Cute decoration. Oh man, you guys, this soap smells amazing. Like, it smells so good, it makes you want to eat them. But do not eat them. You cannot eat the soap. So that one was called Citrus Berry Splash. Can you see that? These soaps smell so good that I ordered some more. But it's on pre-order. It's cold processed soap. So you know it takes like 4 to 6 weeks to cure. So I have to wait the time in order to get my soap. Okay, and then the next soap I ordered from her is the raspberry mango. And you can see it through the bag, so I didn't have to take it out. But it's so cute. Oh man, and the raspberry is just, you get more raspberry than you get mango. Ooh, you guys, it smells so good. Alright, I'm taking it out of the bag so I can show you the top of the soap. The top also has a cute little design on it and it smells so good. You guys, I keep dropping everything. Look how cute the top design is. Let's see if you can see better. Look at that. I love it. And then the last soap that I ordered from her is the strawberry champagne. And it smells exactly like strawberry champagne. Okay, let me show you how it look through the bag, and then I'm gonna take it out. Woo! Yeah, I get so excited about the little things in life. Now, how cute is that? Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look how pretty. And the top also has a cute little design on it. Oh my god, I'm so in love. You know what? I think I'm going to try this one for you guys. I'm going to show you how. Y'all, I'm so sorry. I'm going to show you how it sets up. I need to put like a little table in front of me so I can easily grab my stuff instead of bending all the way down on the floor. You guys, it smells so good. And it feels so like moisturizing on the top. It's beautiful. But anyway, that's gonna conclude my video. You guys, if you like it, hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, leave it down in the comment section below. I'm sorry I left you guys for so long, and I promise I will not be away for this long again. It's just so many things has been happening. We got this whole situation going on, and you know, I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. So you guys, until my next video, peace. Wait, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm still on a journey to 1,000 subscribers. I'm at like 914 or something like that. But make sure you be in the number. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Peace. Wait, you guys. She also sent me 2 little sample soaps I forgot to show you. So I'm going to show you guys real quick what they look like. The first sample soap she sent me was called Beach Bum. And look how cute that is. I love samples. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, that smells so good. It smells so fresh. And the next sample that she sent me, let's put it back in the cute little bag. The next sample that she sent me is called Raspberry Rose Hibiscus Tea. Oh, safe! It looks like this. Let me take it out of the bag for you guys. It looks like this. It smells so good. Oh my goodness. You guys. Yep, this is it. I love it. So that's all the soap that I have for you guys today. I will be doing more product reviews. Like I promised in the beginning of my video, I'm going to show you how these soap up, since like, these are the smaller bars. And if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and make sure you leave me a comment below. Like, I want to talk to you guys. Come talk to me. Let's engage. Let's become a family. Let's be family, guys. So until my next video, peace.